Hello. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how students can view the SB Unified course listings and enroll in classes using Aeries. Before enrolling in your courses, it is a good idea to review the online course listings to make sure you are on the correct path and you understand the course descriptions. You can find the course descriptions by going to the SB Unified District homepage at sbunified.org. There, you will select the Students menu in the navigation bar and scroll down to the Curriculum Course Catalog. Click the blue Course Catalog button and you will be directed to the Course Listings homepage. At the top of the page is a quick search to find courses you are enrolling in. The Course Listings page will allow you to browse courses by subject and filter by grade and school. By clicking on a course, you can get a full description of what to expect. Specific courses are more challenging than other courses, and you may want to discuss your option with your counselor if you are unsure. You can also view the courses by using the Course Pathways page. This is an easy way to view your grade and subject level courses in a linear progression according to the path one is on. The courses are color-coded to more easily identify what type of course you are taking, and, like the course listings page, you can view the course descriptions by hovering over them. Ready to enroll?
To get to the Aeries login, go to the SB Unified homepage. Navigate to the login portal in the upper left of your screen. Select the Students option, and when the Students login portal opens, click on the Aeries link.
At the login page, you will have options to change the language, get more help, or recover your password.
Enter your district email address and click Next. Click on the Sign In with Google button below your email address. There you will use your school email and password to log into Aeries.
Once you have logged in, the top of the screen will display which school record you have accessed. If you'll be attending a new school next year, different from the school you're presently at, click Change Student and select the school you'll be attending next year. Select the Student Info menu in the navigation bar and scroll to the Course Request entry. There are a few ways you can enroll in classes here. If you know the course ID number of the class you would like to register, you can enter it in the course name or number entry box. You can also use the subject area filter to the right to see your class choices for that subject. Click on a course to add it to your course request list. Once you have selected your courses, you can click the I for more information or the X to delete the course. Once your submitted courses are reviewed by the counselors, you will not be able to add or delete your courses online. If you have questions or need support, please contact your school counselor. Thank you.